Hello everyone. Today we are going to be revealing 10 things you can do with baking soda that you possibly didn't know before. Number 1. You can't be too careful when it comes down to food cleanliness. Are you tired of biting into an apple not knowing if washing it with water cleaned it good enough? With just 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in a bowl or a pot, you can remove any impurities from your vegetables and fruits that tap water leaves behind. Or simply sprinkle a little onto a sponge and clean them that way. Number 2. Got a tough piece of meat on your hands? Pause. Why worry when you can soften it just by rubbing it down with baking soda? Wrap it up and let it sit in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 hours. Wash it off thoroughly before cooking. Number 3. Beans. They are commonly eaten around the world and are a rich source of fiber and vitamin B. They are also a great source of protein for vegans. The drawback is that beans always build lots of gas and in return can make you fart. So, did you know that adding just a pinch of baking soda to baked beans as they are cooking will significantly reduce their gas producing properties? You're welcome. Number 4. Ever wonder why you can never get your omelet to look like those commercials on TV or even the newspaper ads? Well, it's probably because you didn't know their secret ingredient, which is, you guessed it, baking soda. The secret is for every 3 eggs you use, add a half a teaspoon of baking soda and it makes your omelet more full and fluffier. And please, tell everybody who gave you the hookup. Number 5. Ever wanted to get rid of that orangey smell left after just cutting up one orange? Or had to descale a fish on a hot summer day, leaving your hands smelling like sewer water and hot garbage? Well, today is your lucky day. I have another remedy. Take you 2 teaspoons of baking soda instead of soap. Add a little water to your hands and scrub them together vigorously. And the smell should wash away with the soda. Now, doesn't that smell better? Number 6. Mothers and fathers, do you ever get tired of that odor, that odd odor at the bottom of the baby bottle? Even after cleaning it out with soap, it still smells a little weird. Well, we are here to save the day. Just by simply soaking your bottles overnight in baking soda water will get rid of that pungy, pathetic odor left after washing baby bottles. Can't wait? Just boil some water and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda and wait for about 3 minutes and voila, you have a fresh smelling bottle. Number 7. If you wanted to turn the cleaning power of your normal dishwashing liquid up a little more, all you have to do is add a few tablespoons of baking soda to the water, and you wouldn't believe how powerful your detergent will become, especially on grease. Number 8. As the little ones redecorated your walls or appliances with some aboriginal artwork in crayon. Hey dudes, don't spoil the mood. Just grab a damp rag and dip it into some baking soda, then lightly scrub the marks. They should come off with minimal effort. Hey, to all you cleaning masters out there, I'm here to reveal an ancient technique to you. Did you know you can clean out your refrigerator with baking soda and water to get rid of any small odor and difficult stains? Well, now you too can go on to be a greater master than ever before. And don't forget to place a fresh open box of baking soda in your fridge every 3 to 6 months. Thank you. Number 10. When you thought it couldn't get much better, it does. You can even use 1 tablespoon of baking soda for every 2 quarts of water as plant food. Yes, you heard me right, plant food. Especially the alkaline-loving plants such as clematis, delphiniums, dianthus, and even more. So much you can do with baking soda. So many other ways this incredible substance could be used. It can remove tar from the car. It can be used as a de-icer during the wintertime, cleaning battery terminals, washing the mildew out of shower curtains, and much, much more. And until next time, stay tuned for new videos coming soon. Thank you.